I'm sorry, sir. What can I do you for?
Good night, sir.
Good morning, sir. It's 7:30 a.m.
Sorry.
Yes, no, it's fine.
I'm too busy, no worries.
You are too busy. Ke a go bona gore o magama dipapeta.
So ke Johnson again.
Ke nna se.
So ko no ntse mosadi again.
O ra o nne le sana le jalo ko Sunday school.
Okay. We shall meet today.
Sana le khaogana ke.
We shall meet today.
Kana gompieno she is my wife.
Yeah, we are in danger. So ke kopa license.
Okay, sir. Okay. There you go.
Ya no, ke o lebise thoga batho no spinner.
A wa tshwara sentle.
Hey, sorry. Ya gape ke go charge go nkhakolla. Ya go charge.
Ao.
1,000.
Go ga kolola.
You are not allowed to remind me. Ya kopa ye nngwe license.
Nya, ya ke re license e nna wena.
Ka gore
Ke ta tsa ka yeng.
ka gore
Nya, go ntsela le tsona tse.
ka go charge go ra ona engwe gape. What's up? So where to?
Oh yeah, I'm just going on a game drive, sir. I just want to see some animals
The animal tsa gama.
in the game.
So ba ta go bona go di crocodile le bo dito.
Yes, lions and some other anything you have.
So ke kopa go bona go go check metsi mo koloi ya gago le engine.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Thank you very much.
All right. My goodness, what have I gotten myself into?
Ash!
Oh my God! I'm
angry. What's that?
Say it's my fault. I should have
Ka go
told you.
charge. What ya why na engine le metsi ka go charge. 4,000. Hape ke go charge gore le batla koloi ya go linkiteile mo sehubeng.
Oh my goodness.
So can I have the money, please? I'm hungry.
Kita go irla e-wallet.
Can I, to be honest,
Mpa number go irla e-wallet, sir. I don't have cash on me. I'm very sorry about the bonnet issue.
So ke home.
Yes, sir.
Plus 267.
All right.
So
all right.
she kana mosadi wa me wa ta go nthala ka gore ke na madi so ke kopa madi nyana, please.
No, don't worry. I'll balance you.
Okay.
I'll balance you
So
right quickly.
it's okay. 4 million. So I get out dira circumcision mahala, please.
Dude. What? No.
Please.
No.
Please, my friend.
Ni gotta get one
My friend, please.
Sharp.